Hello and welcome dear students to your own channel. So now we are starting question number 4 of exercise 5.2. So let us start question number 4. Question number 4 is which term of AP? So we have to find that nth term of AP. Which term of AP? AP is given to you 3, 8, 13, 18 up to so on is 78. So let nth term is 78. Okay, so we have to find the value of n which term. So what we'll do, so what is given to you, first write it. A is equals to 3 and let us find the d. D is equals to a2 minus a1. What is a2? 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, so let us start therefore nth term. So a nth term, let nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d होता है. So nth term कितना दिया है 78. We have to find the value of n. ठीक है कि कौन सा term है, तो we have to find the value of n. Which term is there? So 78 है जो, let nth term is 78. What is a? A is 3 plus n, you don't know which term is this, into d is 5. Now d you bring this side 3. So 78 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. So कितना हो जाएगा 75 is equals to, ये 5 को इस होल ब्रैकेट मल्टीप्लाई में इधर लाओगे तो डिवाइड में हो जाएगा, is equals to n minus 1. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 is n minus 1. So therefore is equals to 15 plus 1 is 16th term. Okay, so n is equals to 16. So 16th term is 78. Okay, so let us start the next fifth question. So let us, what is our fifth question? Let us see. So fifth question is find the number of terms. कितने terms हैं total? Let there are n terms. ठीक है? So number of terms means n निकालना है. Here also we have to find the n. This is fifth question. Number of term in which of the, in each of the following. So first AP is given to you 7, 13, 19 up to so on 205. कितने terms हैं? तो ये जो लास्ट टर्म जो होगा उतने ही टर्म्स होंगे. अगर लास्ट 20th टर्म है तो 20 टर्म होंगे. लास्ट अगर 15 टर्म है तो 15 टर्म होंगे. सो वी नोज nth टर्म इज 205. nth टर्म को हम L भी कहते हैं, लास्ट टर्म को हम L भी कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस L टर्म और nth टर्म. तो nth टर्म ये कौन सा टर्म है, तो जितना जो वाला टर्म होगा उतने ही टर्म होंगे इसमें. 1 2 3 4 5 6 है तो 20 है तो 20 होंगे. सो a nth टर्म इज गिवन टू यू. लेट अस पुट, you knows a is equals to 7 and what is the value of d? a2 minus a1. What is a2? 13 minus 7. So what is d? 6 हो गया. ठीक है, so now therefore nth term की वैल्यू रखो. तो we knows nth term is 205. तो nth term की वैल्यू क्या होती है? a plus n minus 1 into d is 205. So a is given to you 7 plus n की वैल्यू we want to find. What is d? 6 is 205. 7 you send this side. So n minus 1 into 6 is 7 plus में है तो इधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. तो 205 minus 7. So it is 198. हाँ, तो 198 हो गया. ठीक है. So therefore n minus 1 is equals to 6 is multiplication, divide में चले जाएगा. 198 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So therefore n minus 1 is equals to 33. So which shows n is equals to 34. तो n 34 आया तो इसका nth term n 34 आया तो a 34 is equals to 2. Therefore 34 terms are there. So right, therefore total number of terms is equals to 34. Okay, so quickly let us move to second part of this fifth question, or you can do the second part yourself. Okay, same like this. Second part is your homework of this. So same way you will write the nth term, last term or L is given to you. Okay, so now let us move to next question, that is question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 is check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. AP is given to you 11, 8, 5, 2 up to so on. Check करना है कि whether minus 150 is a term of this. तो हम कहेंगे let a nth term is minus 150. तो minus 150 इसका term है या नहीं है. तो let a nth term जो find करें कि कौन सा term है. अगर देखते हैं कि what is coming. So now a nth term. So you know a plus n minus 1 into d होता है. इसकी value is minus 150. What is d? So from here find d. So d is equals to a2 minus a1. What is a2? 8 minus 11. So it is minus 3. Or a is 11. ठीक है. So therefore a, the value of a is 11 plus n you have to find and d is minus 3. Okay. Is minus 150. First you send 11 that side because this full is one term. Okay. So 11 that side minus 11. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 150 minus 11. So this is 161 minus 161. So n minus 1 minus 3 you send this side. Divide में चले जाएगा because this is a multiplication. Minus minus cancel हो गए. 3 5s are 15. 1 cancel नहीं हो पा रहा. ठीक है. It is coming in fraction. So we'll leave it like this. Okay. 6 7 8. It is not cancelling by 3. So therefore n is equals to 161 upon 3 plus 1. इसको solve कर लो. So multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 1 because the denominator are same. So we will directly add the numerator. 161 plus 3 164 divided by 3. Let us see it can cancel out or not. 6 10 11. No, because we'll write as number of terms. ये whole number में नहीं है. देखो कौन सा टर्म है वी डोंट नो. ओके ये तो होल नंबर में है ही नहीं. नंबर ऑफ टर्म इज नॉट इन होल नंबर. इसका मतलब क्या होगा. माइनस 150 कौन सा टर्म है. 160 अपॉन 4 अपॉन थर्ड टर्म है. तो कोई टर्म होता नहीं है. फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म होल नंबर में टर्म होते हैं. तो विच इज नॉट इन होल नंबर. सो देयरफॉर माइनस 150 इज नॉट अ टर्म ऑफ AP. ठीक है. तो AP का ये टर्म नहीं होगा. ठीक है. माइनस 150. सो लेट अस मूव टू 7th क्वेश्चन नाउ. So these are very easy questions and you are also feeling, है ना, you are feeling that these are very easy questions. Hope you are feeling this. Okay, because these are really very easy questions. Only you have to learn the formula of nth term. So now let us move to the next one, which is question number 7. Question number 7 is find the 31st term. A31 निकालना है. ठीक है. 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay. This is given to you. What is given to you? You have to see that only. A11th term. What is the meaning of that? A11th term is a plus 10d is equals to 38 और यहाँ पर क्या है a plus 15d. 16th term है ना. तो a फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा a plus 15d is equals to 73. Now we will see from these two equation. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Subtract कर लो. Minus 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 cancel out. So this is minus 5d is equals to 13 minus 8 and 10 5 and 6 minus 3 3 but minus. So d is equals to minus minus तो कैंसिल हो गया. 5 7 से 35 7 हो गया. ठीक है. और so d 7 निकल गया. Substitute in one of the equation you find the value of a. Therefore we'll write from equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 10d is equals to 38. What is a? We have to find. 10 into d is 7 equals to 38. So a is equals to a plus 70 is equals to 38. So a is equals to 38 minus 70. So therefore a is equals to 10 minus 8 2 6 32 minus 32. So a minus 32 आ गया. So now you can find easily the value of a 31st term. Okay. So what is the 31st term we will get? So therefore a 31st term is equals to a plus 30d. What is a? Minus 32 plus 30 into d is 7. So solve this. Minus 32 plus 210. So subtract it. 10 minus 2, 8. यहाँ 0 बचा. 10 minus 7, 3 7, 178. So a 31st term is 178. Okay. So now quickly we can move to 8th question. Okay. You are doing that thing. Keep on doing. Okay. So question number 8. See, and taking some time for erasing also. Then any answer should be completed. Okay. So question number 8 is an AP consists of 50 terms. So total number of terms are given to you 50. Okay. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जो A nth term है वो 50th term होगा. Okay. A 50th term होगा. Last term. 50 terms in which third term is 12 and the last term is a nth term और इसी को LB कहते हैं. ठीक है. तो the last term कौन सा हो जाएगा? 50th term होगा. तो the last term, third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So we have to find the 29th term. Okay. So from these two we can find the value of A and D. Okay. So what is the value of A? So we'll get the value from A3, A plus 2D is equals to 12, equation number 1, and from this A plus 49D is equals to 106. So from these two equations, let us subtract this. Cancel out 49 minus 2, 47d, but minus sign is there. This minus this, 6 minus 2, 4. Up 10 minus 1, 94. Okay. But minus sign is there, minus 2 minus cancel. So d is equals to 94 upon 47. 47 2s are 80, 94. Okay. So the value of d is 2. Okay, in one of the equation you substitute the value. I am substituting from in equation 1. So therefore we will write from equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 2d equals to 12. So what is A? We don't know. We have to find 2 into d is 2 equals to 12. So A is equals to 12 minus 4. A is equals to 8. So we got the value of 8. So therefore what we want? 29th term. A 29th term, what is the formula? A plus 28d. So what is A? We got 8 plus 28. What is the D? 2. So 8 plus 8 to the 16, carry over to the 4, 156. 64. Okay, so our 29th term is 64th. Quickly, let us move to 9th question. Okay. The exercise is very big, but it's easy. Okay. It's very interesting if you do yourself. Okay. So now question number 9th. If the third term and 9th term of AP are, third term and the 9th term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? तो हमारा let nth term is 0. ठीक है. तो अभी n की वैल्यू निकालनी है, कौन सा term 0 होगा. Okay. So from these two we can find a plus 2d is equals to third term कितना है 4 और यहाँ पर a plus 9th term तो 8d is equals to minus 8. 8d आया कैसे? a plus n minus 1 into d फॉर्मूले से. ठीक है. So now from these two, equation number 1 and equation number 2, subtract the equation. ये plus हो जाएगा minus का. Okay, plus minus minus 6d, but minus is equals to plus 12. Okay, d is equals to minus 2. तो d minus 2 हो गया. So substitute in equation 1. So we'll write from equation 1 a plus 2d is equals to 4. So a plus 2 into what is it? Value of d minus 2 is equals to 4. A minus 4 is equals to 4. So therefore a is equals to 4 plus 4. So we'll get a is equals to 8. Okay. So 8, d and 8 we got. Now what we want? Which term is 0? So let we assume that we said let a nth term is 0. अब a nth term की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 0. तो हमें n की वैल्यू निकालनी है कि कौन सा टर्म 0 का. तो put the value of a 8 plus n minus 1, what is d? minus 2 is equals to 0. 8 को वहाँ भेजो. n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 8. So n minus 1, minus 2 will go in denominator, minus 8 upon minus 2. 2 4s are 8. So n minus 1 is equals to plus 4. So n is equals to 5. तो कौन सा टर्म है? n, फिफ्थ टर्म. जो n 5 है ना यहाँ पे, तो a plus 4d is equals to 0. तो फिफ्थ टर्म हुआ. Therefore fifth term is 0. Okay. This was a 9th question. Let us do the 10th question. Okay, 10th question we are doing this. What is our 10th question? See, if 17th term of AP, let us write, if 17th term of AP exceed its 10th term by 7, exceed its 10th term by 7, ये चीज. If 17th term of AP exceed means ज़्यादा है, exceed its 10th term by 7, 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है, तो 17th term 10th term से 7 ज़्यादा है. Find the common difference, B निकालना है, ठीक है. Put the value in this, we have to find the value of D. A plus 16D होता है, और ये क्या होता है? A plus 9D plus 7. A to A cancel, इसको इधर लेके आओ. 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. तो 9 10 7D is equals to 7. So therefore D is equals to 1. So what is our common difference? 1. So hope you are understanding this. See, it's very small, very easy. Only you have to just, whenever you have to write it properly, you know the method. You have to little bit write in your statement form. ठीक है? What you will write? 17th term of AP exceeds the term according to question this. Then you will write therefore a 17th term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Then you can easily do the calculation. Okay. So in between the calculation, if you write some statement in your own words, it's well and good. Okay. So till then, do till 10th question in this video. Then we will start from 11th question in next video. Till then, okay, bye bye. Take care and thank you very much.